Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss the important intelligence agencies of very important countries. So I'm going to shuffle these cards and we will discuss that which intelligence agency belongs to which country. Yes, Mossad. Mossad Limorian Ulayt of Kenya Mayuhadam is its abbreviation, is of Israel, headquarter is in Tel Aviv and was founded in 1949. Next we have MIT, is a secret intelligence agency of Turkey. IB, Intelligence Bureau, Pakistan's oldest civilian intelligence agency. MI6 Military Intelligence Section 6 is of UK, headquarters in London, founded in 1906. CIA, Central Intelligence Agency of America, headquarters in Fairfax, Virginia. Next we have Shabak. Shabak is a secret intelligence agency of Israel. FSB is a secret intelligence agency of Russia. Its foremost aim is national security of the Russian Federation, the counterterrorism and the defense of the state's border. So DST. DST is an intelligence agency of Morocco. And next we have SUPO. It's a secret intelligence agency of Finland. Khad is of Afghanistan. And kenon is of Kenya. Next we have AMAN, which is of Israel. LEKEM of Israel again. NSA is of America, United States of America. Next we have GURU, which is the main intelligence agency of Russia, headquarters in Moscow, and was founded in 1918. Well, you can cross-check its date of foundation as well. Next we have FIA, which is Intelligence Agency of Pakistan. ISI, Inter-Services Intelligence, it's of Pakistan, headquarters in Islamabad, and founded in 1948. FBI. FBI is of America. Well, it's one of the very famous intelligence agency of America. Next we have BND, Bundesnachrichtendienst. It's of Germany, headquarters in Platz in Berlin, was founded in 1956. MOIS. MOIS is an intelligence agency of Iran, which is a neighboring country. Next we have it's of Iran. Next we have MAD, which is a secret intelligence agency of Germany. After that we have DGSE, General Directorate for External Security. It's of France, headquarters in Paris, and was founded in 1982. BIN. BIN is an intelligence agency of Indonesia. MUST is of Sweden. SVR is of Russia, and VEVAK is of Iran again. Triple S is an intelligence agency of Iraq. FAPSI is an intelligence agency of Russia. CNI is an agency of Spain. ASIS, its abbreviation is Australian Secret Intelligence Services. It's of Australia, headquarters in Canberra. Next is CIFAS. It's a secret agency of Spain. Pentagon is of United Kingdom. Raw Research and Analysis Wing, the secret and the main intelligence agency of India. Headquarter is in New Delhi and was founded in 1968. MI5 is of UK again. Scotland Yard is again of United Kingdom. Well, NSO is a secret intelligence agency of Nigeria. MAD. Well, MAD is the main intelligence agency of Germany. Next is MSS, whose abbreviation is Ministry of State Security. It's of China, headquarters in Beijing, and was founded in 1983. KGB. Well, this is our last card, and it's an intelligence agency of Russia. So I hope that you guys have got the lecture. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.